Good morning, dear students. So, we will start the analytical method or analytical proof of vector addition. Till now, we have already studied the vector addition, three ways: triangular law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, and third one is the polygon law of vector addition. So, in this analytical method, we are going to discuss what should be the value of resultant R and how the direction it would be. Okay, so there are two vectors, vectors A and vectors B, making an angle theta. तांको दी जनकर भितर केते अछि एंगल टा थीटा. Okay, so now we can draw the resultant vector. So first of all we have to draw the parallelogram and we have to draw the diagonal which must be going through the common point. Okay, so this is the diagonal and this is your resultant R. So we have to calculate the magnitude of this one, magnitude in terms of vector A and vector B. कहीं आमको दिखाई ए बी आउ थीटाटा जना अच्छे तो ए बी आउ थीटा सहित आमको आर रो वैल्यूटा बाहर करने को पड़ो आर एंड व्हाट इज द एंगल माने ये कुआडे डायरेक्शन बताउची हां ए ठारू केते एंगल बताउची अल्फा ए अल्फाटा को खोजिया को पड़ो अदरवाइज एटा एंगल खोजिले भी चलिबो. Alright, so this is the analytical method. So first we have to draw vector A and another vector is given. This is your vector B making an angle theta. So what we have to do, we have to take this vector B here. Got it? गोटे वेक्टर को आउ गोटे जगह को नेबो कहले किछ असुविधा नहीं बट समान कोन हेतिबा दरकार तार डायरेक्शन आउ तार मैग्नीट्यूड दुईटा समान हेतिबा दरकार ताने ये वेक्टर भी जोटा ये वेक्टर भी होंथियो सेटा. बट इट सिंस इट इज मेकिंग एन एंगल थीटा सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज एंगल थीटा हो कि ना. यस एंड आई हैव टू ड्रॉ वन परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ऑन द वेक्टर ए. ये जो पटे अच्छी से पटे गोटे परपेंडिकुलर लाइन टाणी देव जो इंटरसेक्ट करिवो ये पॉइंट रे. बट इट वर्तमान यार ना गुड़ा को दे दवा. दिस इज सपोज ओ, दिस इज ए बी नहीं पी दे दवा. दिस इज पी, दिस इज क्यू, दिस इज आर. ओके, ओ पी क्यू आर and this is your S. Got it? O P Q R S. Okay, so what should be the resultant? Resultant will be like this. This one is your resultant and this is your R vector. This is the point R, this is the vector R vector. Okay, so here we will get one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle O Q आउ S देखा जाउची कि नहीं. O Q S होची हमर गोटे right angle triangle and for this देखो दीटा right angle triangle एटा गोटे right angle triangle हबो and another one is QPS, another one. First of all I am considering right angle triangle QPS. Okay, from this what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta केते हबो एटा. हां, this one is your Q, this one is your P, this one is your S, this is your angle theta. So sin theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this can be written as this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. So QS by PQ. Okay, again QS by PQ. PQ is what? PQ is our nothing but your vector B, the magnitude of V. So this is QS by B. That implies QS is equal to what? QS is equal to B sin theta. This is our sin theta. So QS is equal to B sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So this is equal to what is the base here? Base is PS. So this is PS by hypotenuse is PQ. So that implies cos theta is equal to PS by PQ is again we can write P. Sorry, this is B. PQ is vector B. Okay, so that implies PS is equal to what? B cos theta. Okay, ता माने P रु S टाकू कोण लिखिया हला B cos theta, whereas QS को कोण लिखिया हला B sin theta. Okay, again from right angle triangle OQS, right angle triangle OQS को देखिले हम कौन जानी परिवा? Again by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem कौन कहूची? हाँ, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Yes or no? So hypotenuse here देखो को ट्रायंगल टा, ये ट्रायंगल टा O Q S, this is O, this is Q, this is S. ता माने एठी हम कौन लिखि परिबो? O Q रो स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एटा मोर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, सो दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूज बेस, एटा परपेंडिकुलर. O Q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कौन लिखि हबो? O S स्क्वायर प्लस Q S स्क्वायर. यस और नो? अगेन O Q is equal to what? O Q is equal to R, vector R, किंबा मैग्नीट्यूड कंसीडर करूछु सेति पई R स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू O S स्क्वायर को कोन लिखि हबो? देखो O S स्क्वायर इक्वल टू O P प्लस O S इज इक्वल टू O P प्लस P S रो होल स्क्वायर प्लस Q S रो स्क्वायर. Yes or no? Then OP can be written as what? OP is nothing but your A, vector A, plus PS can be written as what? PS is B cos theta. OP is written as A and PS can be written as B cos theta whole square, plus QS is equal to what? QS is equal to B sin theta square. So now we are expanding this one. This is A plus B रो whole square हला, so A square plus B square माने B cos theta रो whole square plus twice AB, so A into B cos theta plus B sin theta whole square. Now we will write these two term at one position. So this one can be written as A square plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square plus twice AB cos theta. Okay, from this again we can write A square plus B square we will take it common. So this is your sin square theta plus cos square theta plus this is 2AB cos theta. Again sin square plus cos square theta, this value is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Alright, so we can write this one as A square plus B square into 1 into 1. So this is nothing into 1 plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, so this is our R square. So that implies R can be written as what? R can be written as square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, this is the formula for resultant of any two vector when it is given the magnitude of two vectors and the angle between them. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ଭେକ୍ଟର ଦିଆହେଇଥିବ ତାଙ୍କର ମ୍ୟାଗ୍ନିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଆଉ ଏଙ୍ଗେଲ୍ ଦିଆହେଇଥିବ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ, ସେ ସମୟରେ ଏଇଟା ରିଜଲ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟଟା ଆମେ କାଢ଼ି ପାରିବା. ଡିରେକ୍ସନ୍, ଦ ଫିଗର ଇଜ୍ ଲୁକିଂ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦିସ୍ ୱାନ୍. This is your vector A, this is your vector B. Okay, this is also vector B, like this it is, and it is your resultant R. So we have to calculate this angle alpha. Yes or no? This is O, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Okay, my dear students, so we have to calculate the angle alpha. That means how much angle made by resultant R to the vector A. ए वेक्टर सहित ये आर रो वेक्टर जोटा अछि केते एंगल तैयारी करछि सेटा हमको कैलकुलेट करबा को पड़िबो. सो अगेन वी हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल को जीवा को पड़िबो. को राइट एंगल ओ क्यू एस. फ्रॉम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल you have to write out from right angle triangle OQS. What should be the value of tan alpha? Tan alpha equal to केते हबो? Tan alpha equal to कौन को आ जाए? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. हाँ कि नहीं? Perpendicular by base. So ये जगह perpendicular कोटा perpendicular nothing but your QS by base कोटा O2S. Got it? एटा Q2S एटा O2S. But Q2S कौन लिखाई जी? QS कौन लिखाई जी? QS कौन लिखाई दियो? This one is your vector B. This one is your vector B sin theta. This is your vector B cos theta. हाँ नहीं? So QS is equal to कौन लिखाई दियो? This is your B sin theta by OS. OS is equal to nothing but again OP plus PS. So this is your B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This is our tan alpha. Okay, from this we can calculate alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to tan inverse of B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So this is another formula. What is the direction of resultant R with the vector A? Okay, so alpha. Similarly, if you are going to find this angle also, you can find out by using again the tan of that angle. Okay, so there are some special cases there. Special cases. Some special cases is there. First one is your if theta is equal to 0 degree. What does it mean if theta is equal to 0 degree? That means there are two vectors. This is the vector A and this is another vector B. That means these two vectors are what? These two vectors are like vectors. Yes or no? Like vector or parallel vectors we are calling. So if theta is equal to 0 degree, that means parallel or like vectors. Then what should be the resultant R? R is equal to what? R is equal to root under of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Yes or no? R equal to root under A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So when theta equal to 0 degree, what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So if it is the value of 1, this value is 1, then this is equal to A square plus B square plus twice AB into 1. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this can be written as A plus B whole square root under. So root under and square root will cancel out. So this is A plus B. So R is equal to what? Only A plus B. That means we have to just we have to do the addition. Okay, we have to add only. Whenever the two vectors are like vectors, then we are simply adding the magnitude of those two vectors to get the resultant. What is the angle? What is the angle alpha? Angle alpha, you can calculate it. Angle alpha is also equal to tan inverse, or yes, write down tan inverse. This is B sine, what is the value? 0 degree, sine 0 by A plus B cos 0. So what is the value of sine 0? Sine 0 is having value, sine 0 is equal to 0. So it is 0. Nothing will be there. Tan inverse 0. So the angle must be 0 degree. Got it? That means along the vectors, these two vectors. So suppose theta vector दिया eta, it is 5 Newton, another one is 3 Newton in same direction. ताहेले दी जणकर केते हबो एटा 8 Newton. We have to add only the magnitude. Okay. Next one, second one is that now if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, what is the value of r? R equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is here. So what should be the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is equal to what? 0. Whenever we cos 90 equal to 0, that means this term is 0. So now we will write this one as a square plus b square. So this is the formula whenever the theta, that means angle between the two vectors, is 90 degree. What is the angle? Angle alpha is equal to, again you have to write tan inverse, this one is b sin 90. What is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 value is 1. Sin 90 is equal to 1. This one is a plus b cos 90. So sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So we can write this one as tan inverse b by a. Okay, so alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. Third one is that if theta is equal to 180 degree, theta is equal to 180 degree. जदि 180 डिग्री हुए ताहले ताकू कौन कह जाए? अनलाइक वेक्टर्स, अनलाइक वेक्टर्स और एंटी पैरेलल वेक्टर्स. हाँ कि नहीं? गोटे वेक्टर इयाडे थिबो आ गोटे वेक्टर इयाडे थिबो. एंगल केते होची? एंगल होची 180 डिग्री. सो जदि एंगल 180 डिग्री हुए, r इज इक्वल टू फाइंड आउट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab cos थीटा. cos 180 रो वैल्यू केते? cos 180 रो वैल्यू, cos 180, cos 0 equal to 1, cos 180 minus 1. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab into minus 1. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab root under. So this can be written as what? This can be written as a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square root under. So this equal to a minus b or b minus a. Okay, which one will be larger? You have to subtract other one. Okay, smaller one will be subtracted from larger one. And what should be the angle? Angle must be along the larger one. जोटा बड़ थी ताड़ को डायरेक्शन हम. सपोज 5 न्यूटन इयाडे रहा आउ 3 न्यूटन सपोज इयाडे अच्छी ताहले केते हम? रिजल्टेंटा 2 न्यूटन इयाडे. 2 न्यूटन 5 न्यूटन आड़ को हम. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So 2 न्यूटन से आड़ को 5 न्यूटन along. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone.